Double contractions, 1¼ reps, pauses, and partials are advanced methods used to further progress standard exercises whilst adding variety and fun to your training. All these methods increase the time of which a muscle is under tension in the most difficult part of the lift. If an advanced method has been prescribed, you can see it under the exercise name next to the sets and reps. A 1¼ rep is applied to exercises that are most difficult in the eccentric or lengthened position. It involves coming up 1/4 of the way, coming back down, then coming all the way up and down. Each 1¼ rep is equal to 1 total rep. A double contraction is the opposite of a 1/4 rep. A double contraction is applied to exercises that are most difficult in the concentric or shortened position. They involve coming up, coming down 1/4 of the way, coming up, and then coming all the way back down to complete 1 total rep. Consider a double contraction similar to a pulse at the top of a movement. A pause rep is simply when we pause for a set amount of time where the exercise is most difficult. I typically program 3 to 5 second pauses. Pause reps are also great for targeting weak points of a lift. For example, in the top of a pull-up or the bottom of a squat. A partial rep is where we limit our range of motion to maintain maximum tension on the target muscle during a lift. Partial reps are also useful when training beyond failure or when using supersets or mechanical drop sets. For example, we may complete a set of bicep curls to failure, but continue the set beyond failure by completing partial reps. This can be indicated by negative reps in reserve being noted on the exercise. I personally like to do this on my final exercises during my final set. Partial reps will often be categorized into 2 types: shortened partials and lengthened partials. An example of these used in a superset is when we perform shortened partials in a spider curl, followed by lengthened partials in an incline cable curl. In the spider curl, the most tension is acquired in the shortened position, whereas the incline cable curl acquires the most tension in the biceps in their lengthened position. Performing partials and solely focusing on the most crucial part of the movement allows you to conserve energy for the second exercise in the set, as well as the following sets. And that's how you apply advanced methods to your training.